in this problem we are going to minimize the total manufacturing plus purchase cost to produce 5,000 units of the product. The product has three different components. One frame is needed to produce 1 unit of the product. 2 supports are needed to produce 1 unit, and 1 strap is needed to produce 1 unit of the product. So let's assume our variable. So we assume M1 is number of frames to be manufactured, M2 number of supports to be manufactured, and M3 number of straps to be manufactured. Similarly, P1 number of frames to be purchased, P2 number of supports to be purchased, and P3 the number of straps to be purchased. So our objective function would be to minimize total cost subject to the availability of hours in each department to manufacture 3 components. So each left hand side we have given minutes, so right hand side we convert into minutes. The demand or the requirements is total frames should be at least 5,000 manufacture plus purchase. Total supports should be 2 times 5,000. Total strap should be 5,000. So M1, M2, M3, P1, P2, P3 all should be positive or 0.